Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make a popular appetizer from the Mughlai cuisine, the Kalmi Kebab. I have 6 chicken drumsticks. We'll marinate these chicken drumsticks with 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1.5 inch of finely chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of cashew nut paste, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, half a cup of hung curd, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste. Let's mix this together. Now I'm going to add juice of half a lemon, and now let's marinate the chicken drumstick with this marination. Let's leave this now aside at least for 2 hours. I'd prefer to marinate the meat overnight. Now after marinating the meat for at least 2 hours, you can either grill the chicken in an oven, in a tandoor, or you can simply pan fry it. So I'm going to heat some oil on a tawa, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to just shallow fry these chicken drumsticks. I'm going to keep the flame high for less than a minute, and then I'm going to reduce it and cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's flip them on the other side. Let's cover this and cook it for another 10 minutes. The meat is off the bone, the chicken is cooked, and our Kalmi kebabs are ready. Let's dress them up and make them look even more beautiful. So what I'm going to do is sprinkle some chaat masala now. And remove these in a plate. Let's put the Kalmi kebab on a serving platter. The Kalmi kebab is ready to be served. You can serve it with a mint chutney or a salad. It's a very easy recipe. Do try it. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.